gearbox to get damaged or the diff to get damaged. At that point now we have substantiating evidence and facts that the oil viscosity is becoming a problem. The cheapest point and the cheapest solution or cheapest option available before replacing those components would be to replace the oil. So that covers, guys, at the end of the day, coolants, brake fluid, engine oil, gearbox oil, differential oil. Remember, on when it comes to oil as well, and this is one very important thing that everybody needs to learn in our workshops. When we look at this here, what does it tell us? So what does the number at the end of the day, this numbers that we get on oil tell us? So we're seeing 5W and then we get 40. So this automatically tells us at the end of the day that the viscosity thickness or viscosity resistance on this oil is 40 and this oil is 60. So how does this oil differ from this oil? This oil is differed because of the difference in temperature. So this oil has, as I said, 25W, telling us the weather condition at the end of the day where climate is around about 25 degrees Celsius. Whereas an oil of this magnitude can be reduced to, as I said, where temperatures go down to 5 degrees. So when as I said, when the temperature drops, you know the oil can still withstand that temperature. If we're going in colder countries, if we're going to Germany, going to Switzerland, countries that freeze up, countries that snow a lot, then we need to go to zero, because remember, now the oil level is much more, the temperature is much more lower. So when looking at it, if you had a look at two oils, and unfortunately I don't see another one here. Okay, let's see this here. There's it here. Now if I looked at these two oils, and now customers say that no, you put the wrong oil in my car. Now what is the viscosity level of that one and what is the viscosity level of this? The viscosity level is 40. Now you need to be able to identify that aspect and be able to advise the customer that the viscosity level has not changed. It is merely the temperature grading of the oil has now changed. So depending on the climate, depending on the area, that's why you'll notice on our Haynes Pro, on our Auto Data, on our Bosch system, sometimes it will give you two grades of oil. It will tell you a car can take 5W40, 10W40, 15W40. Why? Because at the end it's all specifying to 40 grade. It's not telling us it